Today it's still Monday, March 2nd, 2026. This is a water pump assembly from a Audi S3 2016-17. It's exactly the same water pump assembly what you're gonna find on a Golf MK7, 7.5, GTI, R, okay? So what's the point of this video? It's obviously to inform the owner, alright? So, do you remember the case with Mr. Jimmy with the BMW, the pump that he changed it, and less than a year later it started leaking internal on the brand new pump? It will start leaking internal, it burned the electronics, the stator and the rotor, it's total fine, I can energize it and it's working fine, but the electronics, they die, alright? A similar case, not the same, similar case with this water pump assembly, it's less than a year old, alright? This housing, that it's for the thermostat housing and the distribution, this is where it's distributing by spinning this gear here, alright? I have the same video from a golf pump, that's exactly the same, alright? Fine. Okay, this is less than a year old, alright? Water pump assembly. And this is how it distributes the coolant. It depends what order it gets, alright? To warm up equally the engine oil, coolant, and the transmission fluid as well. Alright, because it has a heat exchanger of transmission as well. And when you turn on also the heater inside to come hot air, also this, it's changing. Fine, it depends where you give priority, and let us say when it needs to warm up the engine, as an example, you're gonna close it to don't have a flow to warm up the engine faster. Okay, fine. In this system, there is a mechanical thermostat. I have said that 1 million times. Some people, they're saying, no, this is the thermostat. No, this is where it's distributing the coolant. That's the actual thermostat, all right? That's not my rules. I'm sorry about that. Okay? What's the point? In this case, it didn't came coolant inside of the electrical parts. Okay, you see the motor, it's nice. All the rest I have washed it. This I haven't washed it. You see that's a little bit dirty, all right? Fine. What's happening with this housing? It's coming coolant out, no need to warm up the engine. When you start the engine, and in a while it starts coming coolant out from here. All right, this comes like that actually. All right, and this inside of this, if I remove this pulse wheel, this is the one that's reading where it's located, because he needs to know where it's located, this gear. All right, it's not like it makes one calibration for its own when it's working, but has specific position. If I remove this and I place it in a different position, most probably you're gonna have a fault, or you're gonna think that it's in different position, you're gonna overheat either the transmission oil or the engine oil or the engine itself. All right. Anyhow. So this, if I put some water here inside, it starts leaking from inside, or other way around. If you mount it on the engine, and then you put a cooler inside, and you start the engine, it starts leaking from here. All right. This hole here, what you see, it's the same hole like what you see on the water pumps, all of the water pumps. You see that has these two small holes. This corresponding to the seal that has the shaft. All right. They need these two holes. It needs this hole as well. Now, what it failed in this case? What it's wrong with this water pump assembly? Apart of some seals, I took them out, and some seals, you know, they don't look so good. Some other seals that looks amazing, some other it doesn't look so good. But this is, when I open it, when I took it apart, you see this kind of things. All right, it was not leaking external other than this small hole. The problem with this, it's with the seal that has the shaft, this shaft. And to start leaking from there, it's either factory defect, or there is a problem with the pressure in the system. That means the radiators, the coolers, not the radiators, the radiator, or the coolers, the cooling system, it's not performing so well. And it's normal, it's total fine. I mean, it's passing the time. You have a car, let us say, that's reaching 10 years old. You have a car that has, let us say, 200,000 kilometers. By changing the water pump assembly, do not expect that everything is going to be beautiful in the system. All right, you haven't touched the coolers to begin with. All right, there are so many examples of this, on what I'm talking about. One minute, sorry, because I want to cough. All right, back to the point. If, in this case, if somebody changed the seal here, not me, I don't know how to do it. I mean, I'm most probably gonna destroy completely the gear because the plastic, it's press fit inside, all right? And if I attempt to take it out to change the seal, let alone that I don't have the seal at all, all right? I don't have the seal, I don't know what kind of seal they have inside. If I try to take it out, I'm gonna destroy it. This is how much you can open it with safe without having any problem. It's the same thing like you try to change the seal on the water pump, all right? That good luck to unpress the plastic impeller. Most probably gonna come apart, it's gonna break. All right, it's one use only. Same thing with that. The water pump as a water pump does have any problem. Nothing does have a problem other than the stupid seal that has here inside, all right? Now, how many times have you seen, even in the old videos, that whenever we have a chance, we are washing the coolers. We are taking it out, we are washing the coolers, we are flushing the coolers inside out, it depends the case, all right? And then we are putting it back together. How many times I have modified thermostats? I don't even remember. I mean, I don't know. If I said to you 1,000 thermostats, it might be more than 1,000 thermostats. Not only for the coolant, not only for the oil, for the engine oil, also for the transmission oil thermostat. All right? Why? While the engine's new, when the car is new, it's, let us say, 3, 4, 5 years old. Everything's working fine. Later on, it's coming the problems. When you're in a hot environment, it's not like if it was in a different country with a less temperature, with a better heat transfer from the coolers, we're not going to be here right now. We're not going to talk about this right now, either for Mr. Jimmy's water pump that was leaking from the O-ring inside, all right? Because we're not going to increase so much the pressure in the cooling system to begin with, all right? So it's all about the heat transfer. That's why I'm saying that it's wrong to have the same thermostat in Dubai and the same thermostat in Alaska. That's the thing. But nowadays, that's how it is. It's the same car in Alaska, the same car in UAE, in Dubai, as an example. All right? So, mind-blowing? I don't know. For some people, it's normal. Now, if we get a water pump assembly, brand new, we put it on the car, all right? In less than a year, this is how long will last this, because you are in the same environment, same driver, same car, all right? We haven't washed, let us say, the coolers, whatever, because some people, they're saying, oh, I don't want to pay extra to wash the coolers. You know, it's working fine. Just change only some people, they don't understand. It's totally fine. I'm not here to argue with anyone. I'm not trying to convince anybody. We are advising, if you want, okay. We are doing it when we have the chance, like you have seen before, when we are removing for A, B reason the coolers, we are washing them to avoid having these kind of things. If I was an asshole, I can say that, you know what, nope, don't clean the coolers, so he'll gonna come back, the customer, to do the job again, you know, and we're gonna make more money as a company. But I'm not that kind of guy. I have explained this 1,000,000 times. Like, by the way, I'm not also a YouTuber, huh? So keep that in mind. I'm not influencer or YouTuber. This is for the owner. Okay? Take it or leave it. Now, if it was my car, yeah, let's go this way. If it was my car, what I'm gonna do if it was my car? You modified this spring here from the thermostat, all right? Don't open, let us say, at 105 degrees, 105 degrees Celsius, or 110 degrees Celsius. You modified the spring here, all right? You modified the tune and you set the set point of the engine to be, instead of being at 100 degrees or 105 degrees, you put at 90 to 95. Exactly the same thing what we did on the 335i, on the BMW engine, all right? So by doing that, the engine, yes, it's gonna have a little bit more emissions. It's gonna have slightly, you're not gonna even feel it, you're not gonna even understand it has a little bit more fuel consumption, all right? Slightly. You're not gonna feel nothing. I mean, even if you get a measurement, if you get a reference every year, all right, you're not gonna increase something crazy. Don't afraid about that. But the engine, the cooling system, and the plastic components, the parts, it's gonna last way longer, all right? For me, it's gonna be, the easiest thing will be charge the customer for a brand new water pump assembly, put it on, don't do anything, all right? Let him go. After 1 year, he'll gonna come back again most probably with the same leak. I'm giving one possibility, I'm leaving a 5% possibility to have a faulty seal. I doubt, but you cannot eliminate it, right? I mean, I have to unpress it to open it to see how it looks like inside. You're gonna see if it's because of the pressure or if it's a faulty part from the factory, as an example. You're gonna see some signs, right? It's different if it's been folded, it's different if it has a crack, all right? But again, I cannot touch it because it doesn't belong to me. I can put it back together. There is no problem. I have done this, I don't know how many times, plenty of times. It's not a big deal to close by again. It will gonna be total fine, just only it will gonna have a leak from this window here. All right. So my advice, we put, because I don't have a way to change the seal, all right? Even this, if I have to clock it, I'm gonna make something, you know, to have the same pattern and to get one bolt here and keep it steady to press it back in the same position. But by try and pressing the plastic gear, I have so many, you have so many chances to break the gear, and I don't want to do that. All right. New water pump assembly, adjusting the software for the target, the coolant target for the engine coolant target. All right. That this will gonna change also the radiator fan when it's gonna kick in. All right. And we're back in business. Plus the coolers. The coolers. 3 things. And the coolers. It's not gonna be bad on a car that has 200,000 kilometers to clean the coolers, especially in this environment here in this country. This is my advice. That's it. That's what I have to say. There is no wrong installation on the water pump. There is one way, you know, to put it on. You cannot make mistake on installing the pump to begin with. All right. So that's what I have to say. I hope you understand. If not, I'm sorry. Over and out. Let's continue. Let's move on. Thank you.